error, blunder, ebullient, enthusiastic, acrid, bitter, pobob, meeting, badger, pester, cautiously, carefully, truculent, furious, required, repray, supernal, heavenly, plus, luxurious, sporadic, irregular, largely, liberal, decimate, destroy, belligerent, aggressive, battle, fight, rebate, discount, vernal, aspiring, like, esculent, edible, morose, gloomy, wholesome, healthy, envy, weariness, desultory, aimless, astymai, hinder, think, irascible, audacious, daring, infernal, devilish, magnanimous, benevolent, myopic, short-sighted, mortally variated, bailo, delight, conjure, invoke, acolyte, assistance, unit, undo, bry, twisted, skew, avoid, knuckle, surrender, revile, competitor, prowess, bravery, vulpine, crafty, imbroglio, confusion, impatient, stalemate, fascicle, failure, perky, voyant, rant, French, noisily, cogent, cheat, scheme, split, disinter, unearth, terse, compact, brace, support, baffle, frustrate, hallowed, scared, credence, credit, vilify, defame, empirical, practical, mollify, appease, pastime, recreation, charter, document, thwarted, opposed, vocation, affection, prattle, chatter, flounder, stumble, coy, shy, erudite, learned, grip, complaint, extraneous, irrelevant, procure, obtain, mervark, unorthodox, commensurate, proper, proportionate, adage, proverb, don't, inseminate, impatient, ardent, immaculate, spotless, lug, lugubrious, mournful, disparage, belittle, hideous, loathsome, proliferate, generate, impede, hinder, mundane, bodily, excrete, free, graphic, vivid, depreciate, condemn, interrogate, to question, wrangle, dispute, cube, joke, nib, rough, jeopardy, danger, repugnance, disinclination, pettifogging, unimportant, truth, faithful, perspicacity, shared, internal, charm, rebel, lament, epistle, letter, absolve, exonerate, cane, knowledge, construe, interpret, activities, interfere, inordinate, excessive, balmy, soothing, simulate, imitate, insolent, rude, inspire, encourage, extravagant, wasteful, inebriate, drunken, proscribe, vanish, egregious, exceptional, abbreviate, shorten, abominable, wakeful, placid, calm, predict, foretell, mull, think, whirl, turn, vindictive, revengeful, alarcity, eagerly, proem, preface, ferocious, verse, medicure, average, superfit, satiate, dogma, tenet, gynae, thief, language, decline, Raikis, immoral, diligent, industrious, ricochet, rebound, asculting, glitter, musty, astale, regale, entertain, lascivious, lustful, emphasis, astage, obligatory, required, aslake, cunch, burg, inter, apprentice, privileged, sycophant, flatter, doge, avoid, receptive, observant, bells, default, indicate, justify, overtures, offer, crash, incentive, visit, encircled, attenuations, sneezing, jingoistic, dicing, yokel, simple-minded, germine, smart, countermand, cancel, aplomb, self-control, abnegation, annulation, placid, calm, magniculent, boastful. Catalogue list overstrung, sensitive, gregarious, sociable, accost, address, defunct, existent, sagacity, wisdom, angust, annexity, culk, former, solicity, indency, vulgar, coarse, embranch, resentment, emulate, try to do as well, amnesty, pardon, hideous, gap, kitty, pulled fund, frag, fragment, scarf, kite, bag, exorcise, expel, ambition, desire, tent, corrupt, promiscuous, casual, camp, champion, uncanny, astonished, undulate, wave, vocarious, hungry, pester, disturb, redundant, superfluous, inventable, unavoidable, vendetta, feud, smear, mark, calumniate, slender, parvenu, pretender, grand, splendid, addiction, friction, murky, ugly, lapidary, dignified, moving, shifting, mordant, scarcetic, format, inside, dove, paint, consolidate, unit, body, vulgar, jeer, ridicule, cognos, scantic, cryptic, buff, polish, fanciful, unreal, avaricious, greedy, bizarre, grotesque, demure, retrying, covto, respect.